Have you ever wondered why we gather so much data? It can feel overwhelming. But collecting data holds a powerful purpose. Today, we're unveiling the critical objectives of food security information. The main goal is simple: to enable informed decision-making. Every stakeholder must utilize this data to combat hunger effectively. But what does that mean in real life? Let's break it down. First, we profile the vulnerable. We must identify who is food insecure and understand why. At the household level, we consider factors like family size, income sources, and food consumption. Moving to the community level, we examine local resources, market access, and health services. Timing is crucial here. Food insecurity varies with seasons. A household may have food post-harvest but struggle during the lean season. We must consider data relevant to specific periods. Next, we design the right interventions. Knowing who is vulnerable helps us create targeted solutions. Not every food insecurity scenario is the same. Chronic food insecurity results from long-term poverty. This requires solutions like cash transfers or school feeding programs. On the other hand, acute food insecurity comes from sudden shocks. Here, emergency responses like food distributions or subsidized seeds are vital. With data, we eliminate guesswork. Instead, we create effective, tailored solutions. Finally, we must target beneficiaries precisely. Imagine distributing 10,000 bags of maize to 50,000 vulnerable people. Guessing leads to waste and resentment. Instead, data identifies the most needy households. This precise targeting ensures resources go where they are most needed, minimizing conflict and using resources efficiently. Now, let's get real for a moment. Can we rely solely on local political knowledge for food security decisions? Local leaders possess valuable insights, but political pressures can distort perceptions. Do we trust administrative reports, which can be outdated? This leads to our next question: how much do decision makers truly use empirical data? In critical moments, do leaders reach for data or the convenient narrative? We've seen times when political pressures overshadow scientific evidence. I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below about political pressures impacting data-driven decisions. In the next video, we'll explore how technology, like satellite imagery and AI, will revolutionize food security monitoring. If this topic interests you, subscribe and turn on notifications. Join us in making a difference. We'll see you in the finale.